Hello, trading has closed on the 8th of August, 2023. Please read my disclaimer. My calls can be wrong. All trades should be at your own risk. Look for the pattern with the early high. We said we could gap down, but it tends to be a rally day with a high in the final hour. So we got that. Tomorrow should also have the early high. We said there was a rule when you had a straight line drop and then you had an inside day, it should trade up. That didn't happen, but there is a rule that says if you get sharply in the undesired direction, the call is killed before the open. That's what happened. Big difference between the call that's wrong and the call that's killed. Calls that kill don't cost me any money. So that was killed before the open. We also said at some point we should undercut this low, and we did that. During the day, MEJT here said ultimately a higher price it would print. They did. Now says the move won't stick. Gives us a target of 4480.13, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, the rules say if we don't gap up smartly, we should see this number. Maybe we will. But we had a chance to really tank here, and we didn't. We gapped down, hit lower lows, closed over all the lows, even over this high. It's bullish, but it's not as bullish as it would have been had we overtaken some of these highs. Kind of a mixed picture for me. Don't really have a strong feeling about tomorrow. I've never made a prediction that we close, it'll change. I'm just going to say if we close, it'll change tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised. But the only prediction I'm going to make is that we have mixed signals, so we use these rules. So pattern with the early high, could still gap down. It's positive we gap down, hit a lower low, closed over intraday lows, but it's bearish, we have a lower target. So kind of a hodgepodge for me. You can see how we're trading in the lower range of this Andrews pitchfork. This trend line, we're trading just under that trend line. We stopped right at it yesterday. Wouldn't surprise me if we hit the lower end of the pitchfork, but that doesn't tell us much about tomorrow. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow. And that's because it wouldn't surprise me. Doesn't mean it has to happen. It looks like an impulsive wave. I think we're just correcting with some overlap. I think at some point, not yet, this drop is going to end, and then we're going to have a big rally, but I don't think we're there yet. So tomorrow the signals are mixed, the rules are written down. If we close, it'll change, wouldn't surprise me. And that's today's call.